Welcome back to Eco Vibe TV. A big hello to all of you who love the environment and care about our planet. Today, we're talking about something many of us just throw away. These used candle stubs and leftover wax. Did you know that you can easily turn this waste into beautiful, functional new candles without burdening our environment? That's right. Today, we will learn how to recycle used candles and create brand new ones. It's a wonderful, eco-friendly project that saves money and the planet. This simple process doesn't require many things. First, you'll need your leftover wax, any used candle pieces you have around the house. You'll also need new wicks, or you can use a thick cotton string for molds. You can use small glass jars, metal tins, or silicone molds, anything that won't melt when hot wax is poured in. To melt the wax, you'll need a suitable container. Using the double boiler method is the safest way to do this. If you want to add some flair, grab some candle dyes or a few drops of your favorite essential oils. And most importantly, please use safety gloves and goggles. First, let's prepare the wax. Clean the old candle pieces thoroughly, removing any old wicks, dust, or debris. Then cut them into smaller, manageable chunks to help them melt evenly. Next, it's time to melt the wax. A word of caution: never melt wax directly over a flame, as it can burn or smoke very quickly. Instead, use a double boiler method like this. Place a pot with some water on the heat and then put another container with your wax pieces inside it. The steam from the water will gently melt the wax. Once the wax is completely liquid, feel free to add a little coloring or a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a personal touch. Mix it all in well. Now, let's get the molds ready. Take a new candle wick and secure it to the bottom of your mold. To keep the wick straight and centered while you pour, you can tie it to a pencil or a small stick and rest it across the top of the mold. With everything prepared, carefully pour the hot liquid wax into the mold, making sure the wick stays right in the center. Then you just have to be patient. Leave the candles to solidify for several hours or even overnight at room temperature. Once the candle is completely solid, you can gently remove it from the mold and trim the excess wick on top. And look how beautiful they are. We have given new life to candle pieces that were destined for the trash. We reduced the amount of waste, we reused old materials, and we performed a simple recycling process right at home. We encourage you to start this eco-friendly project today. To learn more inspiring and sustainable ideas like this, subscribe to the Eco Vibe TV YouTube channel. Do not forget to leave a comment below and send us pictures of the new candles you've made. Until we meet again with another wonderful eco vibe, keep loving our planet.